In this video, we will discuss Manage HR module. HR module can be divided into three major sections: Employee Profile menu, Reassignment menu, and HR Status. Firstly, we will discuss Employee Profile menu. In this menu, you can use New button to register a new employee profile. And just like when you create a new employee code in Payroll, Register Employee menu, if you newly create an employee profile, it will be registered as a new employee code. And once you have generated employee profiles, you can click Print button on the right side of each employee profile and view the printed data. And also, if you want to edit an existing template or add a new template in addition to the default template provided by ECOUNT, click Option at the top right, Template Setup. Click New Template, or click on the desired existing template to edit the template. Then, if you click New button, you will see from General tab to Other Settings tab at the top. And you can bookmark the most frequently used fields to the General tab by clicking Option, Input Screen Setting. And by configuring the most frequently used field to the General tab, firstly, you can use them more conveniently. And secondly, you can have the fields of the General tab displayed in ECOUNT Web Uploader template. When you batch upload employee profile data by ECOUNT Web Uploader at the menu screen bottom, you need to download the Excel template at the top left and fill out each column. And the columns in the template will be configured based on the fields of the General tab. So, to begin with, we will look over an existing employee profile and look over the entry fields of employee profile registration. In the General tab, the fields located in each individual tab are gathered in one tab. For code, you can enter a new employee code and enter the name of the employee, and set the department and project by clicking the magnifying glass. Then the codes that have been set up in advance in the Inventory or Accounting module will be listed. Also, in fields such as Title Position, Title, and Employment Type, you can also click the magnifying glass and you can set up new type codes by clicking New and Edit and clicking New. You can set up your company's own codes. For instance, in Title Position field, I have set up Staff, Team Manager, Project Leader, Branch Leader, and so forth. Next, in the Register window, you can use Image field to attach the picture of each employee. And in File field, you can attach files related to the employee, for instance, resume or other certificates, or driver's license, etc. And if you use Group Error module, you can import the data saved in My Storage or Image Storage. And you can also attach ERP slips and Group Error posts. Next, we will move on to Additional Info tab, In this tab, you can customize the displayed fields from text type fields, numeric type, code type, yes and no type, and date type. And here you can see the fields that I have customized, such as religion, salary desired, and wedding anniversary. You can edit the display name of each field by clicking Option, Input Screen Setting. Go to Additional Info tab, and in each field, enter the desired name. And once you have clicked Save, you will see that the fields have been edited. So please use these custom fields to suit your needs, and create fields such as educational background, career experience, and foreign language proficiency, and so forth. And if you want to modify the code of an employee code, you can click Function button and change and modify the employee code. And you can click Save at the bottom to finish the registration. Next, we will move on to Reassignment menu. At each year's beginning or end, if there is reassignment for employees, you can register the corresponding data in New Reassignment menu. You can first set the date of the reassignment and enter the corresponding employee code, and set the reassignment type. And if the employee has been promoted, enter the position after promotion in the corresponding column. And if the employee's department has been changed, enter the new department that the employee will work in the corresponding column. And if you click Save and click OK button, the saved reassignment data will be added to the corresponding employee's reassignment history in Employee Profile menu. If you print the employee profile of Video Tutorial Employee, then the reassignment data that you have just saved will be displayed at the bottom area. And you can use Reassignment List or Status menu in the left menu to view data in details. Next, we will discuss HR Status menu. Firstly, in General Certificate menu, you can issue the certificates that are requested to HR department, such as Certificate of Work Experience or Retirement, or verification to confirm each employee's employment status. In order to issue a new certificate, click New button. Then select the certificate type that you will issue and enter the corresponding employee code. Then enter the purpose of the certificate. Then if you click Save button, the list of certificates that have been issued will be displayed. And if you click Print button, you can print out the certificate. Also, you can customize the certificate template by clicking Option at the top right of the preview screen and going to Template Setup, New Template. You can add a new template by copying one of the existing templates. Then in Template Setup window, you can click Setup button and use the editor window to edit the template and save it. And lastly, in Employee Status menu in the left menu, based on a particular time period, you can view the history of employee reassignment. And you can use types such as daily or monthly to view the data sorted by each date or month. And also you can use Customize Summary option to select up to 5 summary conditions and view the number of reassigned employees by each summary condition.